Hey, Skoolie Nation! On today's episode of Killer Skoolie, the humans complete the spray foam installation. Stick around for the entire step-by-step process.
Killer Skoolie. Greetings, Skoolie Nation, and welcome to the Killer Skoolie channel. Broadcasting from the Killer Skoolie Orbital Command Center, I am Logan 12. The humans spent some time and effort over several weeks doing what they could to prepare for spray foam installation. Anticipating that the day would finally arrive, they completed a list of tasks designed to prepare the Skoolie for the spray foam. Various lengths and widths of PVC pipe were used to cover areas that the humans wanted easy access to in the future. The 2-inch hose hangers from our Skoolie Wires broadcast were used to lift the heater hoses off of the wheel wells. And any defunct parts or mechanisms were removed from the Skoolie's interior.
Hey, listen up, Skoolie Nation. The Killer Skoolie team has a little website. There you'll find ways to support the humans with this project. You can also find photos of the bus, conversion articles, and other helpful information. Check it out at killerskoolie.com and let us know how we can better serve you, the Skoolie Nation.
Thanks, Ed. That's Ed the undocumented space fungus, everyone. Great job, Ed. Late one afternoon, while finalizing floor plans, the human female got a call. So the humans got to work preparing. To begin, they removed everything from the interior of the bus. After that, they applied clear tape to the overhead fairing strips to make cleanup easier. As inky darkness closed in, they applied plastic and tape to everything they didn't want covered, including windows, roof hatches, and the subfloor. The humans chose to have closed-cell spray foam installed in the Skoolie. Closed-cell spray foam, because of its density, attains a higher R value per inch than open-cell spray foam. Basically, it doesn't have to be as thick to get the same R value. It's also a vapor barrier because it's more water resistant than open cell to protect against leaks. And finally, we believe closed cell will increase the Skoolie structural integrity. It sprays on like industrial strength glue and dries as hard as a rock. These qualities can also make cleanup more difficult. The humans had a friend in the business, so they let the pros do their thing. If you need spray foam done along Florida's Forgotten Coast, call Peninsula Spray Foam. They've got you covered. The professionals were done, the humans were very pleased with the results. And ready to move forward with the next phases of the Skoolie build. What's coming up next time, Ed?
Alright, Skoolie Nation, how about a thumbs up? The humans are finalizing floor plans and working on the remaining escape hatch. You do not want to miss any of that. So subscribe to the Killer Skoolie channel by clicking the subscribe button right now. Activate notifications with the bell icon. And leave a friendly comment for us in the comment section so that we know our broadcast is reaching the surface of the earth.
That's right, Skoolie Nation. And don't forget to visit killerskoolie.com for more information. That's killerskoolie.com. Hey, Ed.
What's going on, L12?
Why did the can of spray foam travel to a deserted island?
IDK, big guy.
Because it wanted to be foam alone. Get it? Foam alone.
Thanks for watching, folks.
Killer Skoolie.